In this video, you will learn how to use the Canvas media recording section of your quizzes or other assignments. And so in your modules, you have in Module 2, for right now, you see the media recording practice. This is listed as a quiz. It's not a grade, but it is going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to need you to always use the media record function in order to get your speaking prompts turned in. So, it may not allow me to do it. Now, there is a document here I will show you that will load in yours. I'm masquerading, so I can't open it on that side. But look at the different screens that you have. You always want to make sure you're logged into Zscaler. You'll need a microphone, either internal or external, to get this to work. I do not feel that this is successful on a phone, so you will need at least a Chromebook, laptop, computer. Allow your microphone access. If you don't have one, it will obviously tell you you don't have one. And as you can see here where it says infrastructure allow, then you have your record media upload content. And the next screen, once you approve the access to the microphone, you will see the start recording button. This will automatically save. If you're still having issues, email me some screenshots and we'll see what we can work out. Now back to the quiz. Here you have an essay section, and all I want you to do is practice using the media record button, which is this button right here. It looks kind of like a white YouTube button. You will press that, and I've got mine where it's always allowing me, and you can turn off the webcam, put no video, and you can use the mic only. You know it's working when you see the blue moving up and down for your audio. So you will click the start recording button. It counts down 3, 2, 1. Then you begin speaking. You can say anything on this practice that you want to. You're just making sure you know how to use it. And click finish. Now when you finish here, you can either listen to it or you can click save. And it inserts it right here. And when you're finished, you submit your quiz or your assignment. And that's how you use the media function.